Hi folks, Rosemary here from Travel with Ro. I'm in Leavenworth today in Washington State. We're out in the Cascade Mountains. It is a little Bavarian German town and it is so cool. It reminds me of Helen, Georgia. I feel like y'all have ever been there or heard of that. It's like that. Like this town is from the 1890s with settlers, but in the 1960s they redesigned it as a German town. And it's super cute. So come on, let's go explore. Hey, so I am at the Leavenworth Adventure Park. This is just above Leavenworth. It's kind of like right above the hill a bit. But this place is, it has a brand new alpine coaster, and I've never been on anything like that. And so my husband and I were really excited. We're here with a couple of our friends, and we're gonna go down the alpine coaster. You can see it up there. And going up the hill is really cool. It's got a height of, the track is 2,700 feet long. It goes up to 35 feet off the ground, and I wrote this down because it's a lot of numbers. There's a total drop of 234 feet. There's 3 different spiral 360 things that you go on. It's really cool. You can have 1 or 2 people, even kids as young as 3 can get on this thing, but there's a weight limit, so like 2 adults can be a little bit iffy, at least adults my size. But this opened like last month, so it's super new. We had to get Adventure Park passes because one ride is like 20 bucks, and we're like, yeah, we'll just do that. And it turns out that they were all sold out, so we had to get it where we could go down it like 3 times, but it also lets you go on the bungee jumping and the rock climbing wall, which I can't do, but that's okay. This thing is called the TUMWATER TWISTER, and you get views of Tumwater Canyon, Icicle Ridge, Wenatchee River Rapids, and of course the town of Leavenworth itself. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna break out the GoPro and try to do this for you guys so that you can check it out because it's so cool. I can see the river. Alright. There we go. Ah! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! I think I just ate a bug! Ah! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Holy crap! Holy crap! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I had to slow down a little bit. That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Whoa! I accidentally hit the brakes. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh! Holy crap! Decision. Woo! All right, so I got some schnitzel. Look at this. Wiener Schnitzel, and I mixed up the Käsespätzle already. The cheesy Spätzle. It's huge, just like in Germany. I love it. Thanks for hanging out with us today in Leavenworth. We're wrapping up our day at the Goose Ridge Orchard. We're doing a little cider tasting here, so I've got a whole flight. It is awesome, really great fruit flavors. Thanks for hopping on the adventure park, you know, with us and checking out. We went to, what was it, Andres Keller? was the restaurant. We had some lunch at, some amazing food. So good times. And if you enjoyed it at all, please like and subscribe so you can catch more of our adventures. Bye for now.